Give po, give way.
Senator, may statement po kayo, sir. Statement, Senator?
Naglalakad na nakabarong ng tulitin at papasok na ngayon dito sa courtroom ng 3rd Division sa Bigang Bayan. Nakapasok.
So akala ko kasi kanina sinabi na the warrant has been served. So it has been served.
Magpa-process na po ngayon.
Nagpa-process
He'll
na.
come out in a bit para to talk to media.
Okay, but did he surrender or was he arrested?
He was here today. It was an act of good faith, and it's in effect a surrender to the jurisdiction of the court.
Sir, what's your name po for the record?